back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving Eve, everyone. I honestly can't really reconcile in my brain that tomorrow is Thanksgiving. It's just the last couple months have gone so fast and so slow at the same time that it just doesn't seem possible that tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Anyway, as you can probably tell by the table behind me, my husband and I did manage to sneak out on kind of a small junk run on Sunday. The thrift stores were honestly a little bit bare in the decor department, but we managed to still find a few things, so I'm going to show those to you for today. And before I get started, so I don't forget the end, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am running a Black Friday special online. All Sweet Pickins milk paint and their extra bond is on sale right now for 25% off, and Redesign with Prima products are 20% off. So if you're in need of anything, please go check those out on my website. The sale runs through December 2nd, so you have a little bit of time to get your orders in. So without further ado though, let's get to the few things that we did find at the thrift stores. I absolutely loved this little pitcher, you guys. I've been so afraid I'm going to drop it and break it. It feels very dainty and kind of fragile. I haven't Google lensed it. It was only $4.99 at the thrift store. I just thought it was so pretty, and I love the very neutral white color of it. So I grabbed that. And then my husband and I found a couple pots, which doesn't happen very often. I tend to find them to be a little high priced at the thrift store sometimes. This one I thought was pretty. It was $1.99. It's just a very simple pot. The only thing, it doesn't have a bottom hole, so I'll just have to let whoever knows buy it to make sure that they accommodate for that. But for $1.99, it was a good color and just kind of neutral. Oops, and then this one. This pot I thought was fun. I love the color, this beautiful kind of springy green, and it's got the reservoir underneath it, so it'll actually hold water. Not a good pot to leave outside during the winter, mind you, but still something good for house plants or something to put on your patio. So, and this one was $4.99. Please forgive me if I sniffle a little. I'm still trying to get over this blasted cold. It's kind of sunk into my chest to some degree, so that's been really fun. Anyway, I found this pear. I just thought it was really pretty. It's very greasy and dirty. It's got hair all over it, so probably sat in someone's kitchen, and it was $4.99. I thought spring's coming, it's right around the corner, and I thought this would be great in spring display, so I grabbed that. It's amazing how fast time goes anymore. Then I found a couple of cute silver things that I thought were pretty. I think this one's actually pewter, not silver. But this little guy was $2.99. He's really heavy, which is what leads me to believe that it's pewter. And the details are a little bit more hammered, not quite as fine as they usually are in silver. So, but I thought it was cute, so I grabbed that. And then this really pretty silver tray for $4.99. It's really beautiful. This is an F.B. Rogers piece, so it's probably silver plated. So I grabbed this. It was $5.99. All right, a little bit of coughing. Anyway, I just love patinated silver, as you guys probably know if you've been watching me for a while. And then this little gravy boat I thought was really kind of cool because it only has 3 legs. So it's a little tripod, and this was $5.99 as well. This one I couldn't find a maker's mark on, but it's heavy, and I just really love the patina on this one. So I grabbed that. And the fact that it has 3 legs kind of made me giggle. Then I found this frame. It's nothing hugely ornate or anything like that, but I always like to have frames just for simple projects to put some decoupage paper in, something like that. This has glass in it, which is nice, and it was a green tag, which meant it was half price, so that made it 99 cents. So that was a good deal. And then I found this cute chicken frame, and I'm thinking But the pear, I mean, the color is almost perfect. So this will make a super cute little springy display. And the sunflowers, I just really like those two. And this was for $2.99, so I grabbed that. Then this, my husband actually found this. This was $5.99. It is really heavy, you guys, and just a big, humongous hurricane. I think this is just pretty. This would be gorgeous with just some rocks and a candle in it, or you could fill it up with pine cones or any other kind of seasonal decor. There's just a million things you could do with this, but for $5.99, I just had to grab it, so I did. And then I loved this little angel, cherub, whatever you want to call him. I just thought he was cute. It's one of those that has potpourri inside of it. I'll take that out because chances are it doesn't smell like anything anymore anyway, and I'll probably take this hanger off of it and just use it as a piece of decor. But it was only $2.99, so I went ahead and got it. And then I found these angel candle holders. Set these down. There were 3 of them. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how keen I am on the kind of peachy, salmony colored background with that gold overlay on these, or if I should do something with them. This one's got a violin. This one had the harp. These were $2.99 or $3.99 a piece. So I invested a little bit of money into them, but it's so hard this time of year to start finding decent Christmas decor sometimes, and so I just wanted something, and I figured even if I have to slap a quick coat of paint on these, it might be worth my while. So what do you guys think? Should I paint them or no? And then there's this one with the horn. I just thought they were kind of pretty, and like I said, they'd make a good addition to my Christmas display. Then I got this little candle holder, little tea light holder that's got Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus. It's porcelain, that kind of bisque porcelain, not finished, so it's kind of porous, but it's in really good shape, and it was pretty, and it was only 99 cents. So grab that. And then I got this guy. I thought it was pretty. It's in pretty decent shape. There's really not a lot of scratches or anything like that on it, for $4.99. So again, just something to add to my Christmas displays. And these are really cute with like a Christmas tree or Santa or something like that sitting in it. If you've got a couple different size candle holders and you want to use this one as a riser to get one of your candle holders a little bit higher, you can do that too. So that was great. And then this guy was $6.49, which kind of stretching it a little bit for me, but I was so interested because it had these beads that somebody started to wrap in this thing and then quit, I guess. They were all wrapped up like this, and they came with the little deer, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him off or not, but I thought he was kind of pretty, and he's in good shape. There's nothing really wrong with him, so I'm going to take the beads off, give him a good bath, and just probably put him out the way he is. And then these 3. So there were 2 large of these deer, and they're metal. They're not super heavy, but they're kind of heavy. And these were $7.99 a piece at the Goodwill, and they're in pretty okay shape. There's a couple places on them, like this one had a little nick in the tail. The problem being is I bought some, what is it called? Silver metallic. I bought silver metallic acrylic paint, and it's just not shiny enough. So I'm going to have to go probably buy some chrome spray paint for these, because this one has quite a bit of, looks like it got chipped off, maybe banged around in a bucket or something between seasons. And this one was only $5.99, so I went ahead and grabbed all of them. I'm really thinking I can do something with them. Worst case, I will spray paint these matte black, and they will be kind of like those black deer that you see from wherever they come from, Target or whatever, that everybody uses on their mantles. So at any rate, I just thought they were kind of cool, so I got all 3 of them. Well, that is it for today's haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of what we got at the Goodwills, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite in today's haul. Saturday's video, I'm really not sure at this point what that's going to look like yet. Honestly, there's a possibility that I might not be able to get a video done in time for Saturday, with Thanksgiving being tomorrow and then Friday being Black Friday. I'm just really not sure how the next couple days are going to manifest in me getting much done. So we'll see. If nothing else, I will definitely have some fun stuff for you guys on Wednesday. So just stay tuned and I will let you know what's going on. I hope you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving, though. I hope you're spending it with family and friends and really enjoying the day. My husband and I are going to some friend's house, so we're excited for that. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and I will see you back here either Saturday or Wednesday, so we'll see what happens. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I'll see you then. Bye.